Hey everyone, it's Miss M. I'm going to review mean absolute deviation with you. So here's our data set. First thing you want to do is set up that table to easily organize your information. So we want the data numbers, the mean, and then the distance from the data points to the mean. Okay, so first thing we want to do is list our data in the table. It doesn't have to be in any order, so it's easiest just to go along in the order it's given so that you don't forget any numbers. And then we want to find the mean. So add up all these numbers. They equal 53. Then we want to divide by 10 because that's how many numbers we have. So the mean is 5.3. You don't have to write it all on the table again, just put the arrow down. Then you have to find the distance of each number from the mean. So let's start doing that. Do it along with me, check my work. Also remember that the distance can never be negative, so make sure you do bigger number minus smaller number always. Okay, had to squish it in a little. So after you fill in the table, to find the mean absolute deviation, you want to add up all the distances. When we add them all up, we get 21.6. Divide by how many numbers there are. It's 10. So the mean absolute deviation is 2.16. And we want to tell what this gives us about the data. What this tells us is, let me do it in a different color. It tells us the data values are 2.16 units from the mean on average. So the data values I'll add in here on average are 2.16 units from the mean.